Hi my little nation, it's me, Melina Knives, and today I'm going to do something different than makeup today. I honestly am scared. I honestly am super curious because today I got my Ancestry DNA box in the mail. I got the one with the trait kit, so I'm going to open this up in front of you guys. It's still sealed here. So for you guys who don't know what Ancestry DNA is, basically it's a kit that gets sent to your house, and each one is different. I know there's like the family tree one, there's a whole bunch of ones. Some of them have only Y testing. When you open up the box, it's very like futuristic. I literally feel like I'm doing like some crazy shit. Ooh, ooh, ooh. So it says, welcome to the beginning of your story. Before you spit, activate your kit online, by phone, or with our app first. Activating your kit with your unique code is the only way to get your DNA results. Required steps inside. Okay, so they have an app. So what I'm going to do is use my phone and download that app. I just got their app on my phone. It says get started. So I do have an account, so I'm gonna press sign in. That's crazy. I wish I screen recorded that. All I did was press sign in, and it literally just automatically fills everything in. There's 4 people in my family tree. So I guess I click on the tab that says DNA. It says activate test. Okay, so there's a 15-digit activation code located on a collection tube that links my test results to my Ancestry account. That's wicked. I'm guessing this is my activation code. Enter my phone number. And there's a long consent page. Well, actually not as long as some. There is a consent page. So let's read this. When you activate your DNA test kit, you consent to Ancestry's collection and processing of your data. Data and other sensitive personal information such as your ethnicity, national origin, or health history to convert your physical DNA sample into DNA data and use your DNA to provide you reports about your ancestry origins in the form of an ethnicity estimate, geographical sub-region details, and migrations, as well as personal insights related to your ethnicity, place of origin, ancestors, individual traits and characteristics. I invite you to participate in surveys and questionnaires entirely optional through which we may gather more personal information for additional insights. Identify your potential relatives in our database by comparing your DNA to other Ancestry customers' DNA data. Use your DNA data, family tree details, and other personal information to help you discover other details about your family history, including ancestors you may share with other Ancestry members. This information can help you build your family tree or help you trace your ancestors' migration paths, provide consistent quality and improve Ancestry product features and services, and help create new product features and services, including products related to wellness and health. Like, you're basically giving them rights to you. They will basically own you. This is low-key scary, but also very fascinating at the same time, because I was always told that I was 100% Puerto Rican. Like, everyone in my family, well, not everyone in my family. Like, my mom's Puerto Rican, my dad's Puerto Rican, my grandfather, biological grandfather is Puerto Rican, my grandmother is Puerto Rican. Almost everyone on my dad's side is pretty much Puerto Rican, and same thing with my mom, like my mom's side. So I'm super curious as to, like, what am I? I just consented. Okay, so you actually have the right and option to say that, no, I don't want to be matched up with someone who has the same or similar DNA as me. So it's saying, like, if someone else matches you, do you give permission for us to say, hey, look, this person might be related to you? So if someone declines that right, I will not be notified. Like, I don't know, this is the thing. Like, I'm doing this not only to find like ancestors and like family members, because I know like we have a ginormous family. Like, we are all over the place. And so if they didn't hand in their DNA, does that mean they just won't be counted? Like, does it only go off people who actually used this particular DNA test, or is it a span of all DNA tests? Because they can be like, oh, we only found people who are related to you in this part of the country or this part of the country. but there could be billions out there who never like submitted their DNA that I could also be related to. So that's the thing with me. Like I know that nothing's ever 100%, but I want to get like the majority of, like I want to get the maximum experience from this, you know? You can even send messages to each other. That's kind of strange. Just message someone like, hey, according to my app, we have the same eyelashes. Oh shit, I think I accidentally pressed something. Holy fuck. The terms and conditions of this shit is crazy. Like, I will show you. This is all of the terms and conditions. What the fuck? My kit is not activated. So my results will take about 6 to 8 weeks. However, due to high demand, your results may take longer. You'll receive an email when your results are ready. So all I have to do is mail in my kit. So let's read what all this is about. Okay, it says spit in the tube. It says fill the tube with saliva to the black wavy line. Fill the tube until your saliva, not including bubbles, is at or just above the wavy line. It's easy. That's less than 1/4 of a teaspoon. Do not overfill. And it says replace the funnel with the cap. Remove the funnel from the tube. Screw on the enclosed cap tightly to release the solution that will stabilize the DNA in your saliva. Tighten to release stabilized fluids. Shake the tube for at least 5 seconds. This will ensure that your sample mixes thoroughly with the stabilization fluid, so our lab can best process your sample. Number 4, mail your sample. Oh Jesus, okay. Oh, it says, warning, do not eat, drink, smoke, or chew gum for 30 minutes before giving your saliva sample. I'm good. I haven't eaten all day or drank anything or chewed gum. Let's get started. I'm actually scared and excited and, ooh, this made my stomach feel weird. Look at this. I'm going to like hide the barcode because it has like my DNA code on here, but this is wild. So my mouth is actually pretty dry from not eating or drinking or chewing gum. So we're gonna see if we can even get all this spit in here. Okay, let's do this. Fill the tube with saliva to the black wavy line. Okay, so that probably took a little bit longer than it should. It probably took me about like 2 minutes to get about that much saliva in the tube. Now I'm going to replace this cap with the stabilizing fluid. Okay, so they said for me to tighten this and this together. And they said I'll know when it works when the blue liquid starts to drip into the saliva. It says that I have to do it tightly. So like, oh, I did it. I just didn't do it tight enough, okay. So the blue liquid is now in the saliva. It's floating. That's weird. Okay, so instead of this focusing on my face, I wish it would focus like on this damn tube. So the blue is now here and I'm supposed to mix this together for 5 seconds at least, so. Now we were given a bag. So we were given a bag. I keep saying we, like who the hell is we? I was given a bag and it says, place the tube in the collection bag. And the 4th step and final step is to place the tube in the collection bag and seal the bag with the adhesive strip. They give us a little box that's prepaid to ship it off. Now, time to go put this in the mailbox. Well, now they're gonna have even more of my DNA. My hair literally just got caught to this shit. I hope you guys thought this was interesting. What are your thoughts? Did you guys do your ancestry DNA test? Or are you guys like afraid? Like I'm scared, but also excited at the same time. So let me know what you guys think.